Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Marine Electrical. The stock is recently got a hype. Many of our subscribers asked to do a video once again in the stock. To analyze the stock, we should use the weekly and monthly charts, but unfortunately TradingView doesn't show the weekly and monthly chart, but the daily chart is here. So currently the stock is at the major support level. The support level is very good, but the stock is unfortunately moving down towards the breaking of support level. So one should be cautious before taking trades. But look at the rejection. The rejection is in a small term. The rejection is very small, so one can expect somewhat down move from the price range, but the stock may not go below the range of 65 because a huge range of trading was happened here. So this can be acted as the major resistance and support area. So currently the stock is above the price range of 65, so this can be acted as a support range for the stock. So let me draw the useful area of values that govern the stock. So this can be taken as the one of the major level area of support, and this can be taken as the major resistance area for the stock. So once the stock may move in between these two levels, or it will give a huge breakout. The breakout should be very huge so that the stock will go below or above, but this range can be taken as the short term range. And let me use the volume profile to analyze the stock in detail. So let me draw this for this entire area, which is the recent time, which is within the 1 month or 2 month chart, is very effective. The volume profile within 1 month to 2 month range is also effective, and we can take it for trading also. So let me draw the major support and resistance levels for the stock as suggested in the volume profile. So this can be taken as the major resistance level for the stock. Let me recolor it. Even volume profile also shows the same region of support, but the stock broke the support level. So the next support is at the current market price. So look at the volume here, a slight lower volume. This can be taken as the major support level for the stock at the current market price. So the stock may not go below this price range because the stock has good support at the current market price. And look at the valuations of the company. The valuation is slightly higher because the book value is around 15 rupees and the stock is trading nearly 60 rupees, which is almost 4 to 5 times the book value. And the criteria of trading stocks in the short term is still good. The promoter holding is almost above 70%, and this promoter has zero promoter pledge, and debt is also very less. So the stock can be taken for the swing trades. The current market price can be taken for the swing trade, and one can expect the target of 85 range. 85 can be taken as the target. Placing this target should be a cautious move because the resistance is here. So this range can be taken as the resistance, which is around 75 range. 75 range can be taken as the resistance. So one can trade if the stock breaks the price range of 75, and 75 can be taken as the entry for the stock, and one can place the target at 85 range. The target is almost a 10% upside from the current market price, but if the stock broke the major support level around 69 68 level with a huge candle and huge volume, then we should be cautious in this stock. And next support for this stock is around a price range of 58, which is the swing low of this swing. So one should be cautious and look at the 50-day moving average, which is in the yellow line. This yellow line got broken here, but at the next day the trading was higher than the previous close, and the close was quite weak. The sellers dominated here, but however the stock closed above the previous close here. So this may happen here also. Look at the pattern here, the same pattern follows here also. So one can expect a good up move in tomorrow session, but the volume is quite dangerous here. The huge sell volume is shown here, so one should be cautious and take trade only after the closing of the candle. At least use 60-minute candle or 4 hours candle to take trades in this stock. So one can expect the target. If the stock breaks the 75 range, 85 can be expected, which is around 10% upside. And if the stock broke the price range of 68, then one can expect the support level at 55 range. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications of the videos published immediately. And feel free to comment below your questions and queries, and join us on Telegram to grow together. Thank you. So now let's move to the price target levels.